Hi, welcome to Ride Alongside. Today I am showing you the Absolute Black dual density silicone grips. So I've had these on the Trek stash for about a year or so. It's not quite a year of use on these because I have been testing other bikes and riding my El Monsterace as well. But these grips are some of my favorites so far, actually. They're very hard to get on your bars. These bar ends are even harder to get in. There's two rubber O-rings on them that you have to position just right and get them in. The other one I didn't have in just right, and it flew out on the first ride. So besides that, I've been very satisfied with them. They've proved to be a little bit more durable than other silicone grips I've used in the past, both from RedMonkey and ESI. But these are made in Europe, whereas those are made in the US. And these ones have like a harder outer coating on them. And then they have these cutaways. And they vary, of course, in the distance between the cuts. But I thought those were kind of gimmicky at first. Then I rode them and I really liked them. I like them for two reasons. One is that it does give you a little bit more grip, especially when they're wet or sweaty. But secondly, they also provide a little bit of ventilation when you have your hand on them. And I've ridden them both with gloves and barehanded, and I actually really like them barehanded. They feel very comfortable, and I haven't been able to say that about very many grips out there at all. So I like them a lot. I don't think they'd be as durable as like rubber grips, and they're definitely not as easy to install as lock-on grips, but they are a grip worth checking out. You can go check out the link in the description to view them on Absolute Black's website. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below the video. And if you've liked this video and you want to see more content like it, give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe and click the bell so you can get notified of when I upload more new videos. So thanks for watching. I'm Nick from Ride Alongside. I'll have more content for you real soon.